Hi, this is Noah of Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Do you need parts for your SciCan autoclaves? Well, whether it's OEM or remanufactured RPI parts, we have a wealth of different products to suit the various needs for any SciCan autoclave. We have door gaskets, biological filters, chamber filters, and so many more parts for your SciCan products on our website. We even have preventative maintenance kits for your autoclave's next maintenance period. Do you need information on installation, operation, or maintenance? We can help there too with the SciCan Resource tab on our website. It's filled with many how-to articles, manuals, and much more. But if you're more of a visual person, we have you covered there too, with a playlist on our YouTube channel dedicated to informative and resourceful content focused on the owning, operating, and maintenance of your SciCan autoclaves. And as always, if you can't find what you're looking for, or you need help with service, parts, or repair for your SciCan autoclaves, please give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support.